really excited to introduce to you Fury Customs. Fury Customs is a division of Falcons Fury Harley-Davidson where we build some badass custom motorcycles. We're going to show them to you. Stick around. Motorcycle up on Fury Customs is this absolutely incredible 2020 Street Glide. We have a custom paint set on this, some custom bars, custom seat. Let me show you around this. Here is the 2020 Street Glide that we have customized. We'll start off with a paint set. I like to call this Battleship Gray. It's a really great color, and in person it's spectacular. It has a small red pinstripe, got some black accents on there. Looks unique. There is not another one like this on the road. Coming down to the wheels, these are VIP Alliance wheels. Up front we have a 21-inch. This is matched to the paint on the bike. You've got the black, the gray, and the red. Not only did we do the front wheel, but we also put an 18-inch matching wheel on the back of the motorcycle. So everything on this matches. On this motorcycle, we have about $20,000 worth of extras. Some of those include the factory 47 12-inch riser bars here. This is a 1.5-inch diameter. These are big, thick, burly bars. We also have a custom Arlen Ness breather here, which then feeds into a full-length Vance & Hines dual exhaust. Sounds absolutely fantastic. The seat, as you can see, is also custom matched to the bike. You have the black and the red. Looks absolutely spectacular. This bike has to be seen to be believed. The nice thing about Fury Customs, folks, is that we can ship these bikes anywhere in the lower 48 states. Not only that, because we are a Harley-Davidson dealership, we can finance these bikes. You don't like this one? Not a problem. We can custom build a bike to your specifications. Whatever you want, we can do. Give us a call. 770-979-7999. Talk to me, James. Talk to Steve. We can build you the bike of your dreams.